Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a side business with Canva, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your device. Create a free account if you haven't already. Explore the various templates available for different types of projects. Choose a specific niche for your side business, such as social media graphics, presentations, or marketing materials. Search for templates that align with your chosen niche. Customize the template by adding your own brand colors, fonts, and images. Incorporate your unique branding elements to make the design stand out. Utilize Canva's extensive library of elements, such as icons and illustrations, to enhance your design. Experiment with different layouts and designs until you find one that resonates with your vision. Once you are satisfied with your design, download it in the appropriate format for your needs. Next, showcase your designs on social media platforms to attract potential customers. Create an online portfolio or a simple website to display your work. Consider setting up an Etsy shop or a similar platform to sell your designs. Promote your side business by networking with others in your niche. Engage with your audience through social media to build relationships and trust. Offer special promotions or discounts to encourage initial sales. Gather feedback from customers to improve your designs and offerings. Continuously update your portfolio with new designs and templates. Invest time in learning more about effective marketing strategies. Stay current with design trends to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. Adjust your business model based on what works best for you and your audience. With dedication and creativity, you can successfully build a side business using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.